Hello, my lovely viewers. Let's take a quick look at this question. This question will ask if 5 moles of hydrogen gas react completely with 2.5 moles of what? Of oxygen gas. The limiting reagent is what? Is it hydrogen gas? Is it oxygen gas? Both are both limiting reagent or none of them. Now, what do you understand by limiting reagent, or you call it limiting reactant? Is the reactant that is completely used first in a chemical reaction. That is, as soon as that reactant is used, or a product can no longer be formed. That is what we call a limiting reagent. How do we determine our limiting reagent given this in this kind of question? What you simply do is that, firstly, balance your chemical equation. You say that hydrogen gas react with what? React with oxygen gas to produce what? Of course, water is formed, H2O. Now, to balance our equation, we need to put what? Put 2 here. You understand? Hydrogen here is what? Hydrogen here is 4. Hydrogen here is what? 2. So we need to put what? We need to put 2 here. So if you put 2 here, hydrogen here is 4. Hydrogen is 4. Oxygen here has this 2 in front. Oxygen here is just so. Oxygen is what? Back. So the ratio is what? The ratio is 2 is to what? Is to 1. We are comparing these two. We are not comparing this one. Do you understand? Now, for you to get your limiting reagent, remember, hydrogen and oxygen react to give you what? To give you water. Which one is completely used first? Which one? As soon as that one is being used first, use all. No product, no further product will be formed. Do you get that? So that one is what we call limiting reagent. The one that is completely used up first is what we call limiting reagent. How do we determine that? So what you simply do is that you say that hydrogen ratio is equals to, you are going to say mole of hydrogen gas. Are you following? You divide it by the coefficient. Divide by the coefficient. Come to the mole of oxygen gas. Oxygen gas ratio is equals to what? Mole of oxygen gas divided by what? Divided by coefficient. Coefficient is your mole ratio. Look at mole ratio of hydrogen is 2. Mole ratio of oxygen is what? 1. So, well, what is the mole of hydrogen gas is given? 5 moles of hydrogen gas. So it's equals to 5 divided by, what is the coefficient of hydrogen gas? Look at, have you seen? Coefficient is what? 2 divided by 2. Give us what? 2.5. That is the one of hydrogen gas. Come to oxygen gas. Oxygen gas, mole of oxygen gas, look at 2.5 moles is equals to what? 2.5 mole divided by, what is the coefficient of oxygen gas? Look at it. Coefficient is what? 1 divided by 1 equals to what? 2.5. It means that no one, or both of them are the same. If that this one is 1, this one is 2, it means that this one is a limiting reagent, because this one is lesser than this one. So since both of them are the same, there is no limiting reagent. I told you a limiting reagent is a reactant that is completely used up first in a chemical reaction. So known is a limiting reagent because they are the same. For more of this video, do well to like the video, share and comment. If you are